Hi guys! Welcome to Family Doodle Time, today with me, Martin and...
Maya!
Okay, so we're basically, this programme, we're going to show you how to do various drawings and designs and fun things to do, aren't we?
Yeah.
Fantastic. So today we're going to do a prank picture, aren't we? We like
a cute little animal, and then when you open it up, it's a creepy, scary animal.
Oh, so the prank is, it initially looks like a really cute animal, and then when we open it up, it pranks you and scares your family and your friends, doesn't it? That's going to be super good, isn't it? So what we're going to do first is we're going to show you how to fold the paper, aren't we? And then we're going to show you how to do the drawing.
You've got to fold your paper right in half.
Fold it in half.
And then you fold it again right to the top.
Hang on, let's show them in a bit more detail. So we've folded our paper in half, and then we're going to take the bottom and fold that up to the middle.
And then you turn it around and then fold it again.
Okay. So then we're going to take the bottom and fold that up to the top.
And then you've done it.
You might have to show that again in a bit more detail. What do you think?
Yeah.
And then what we're going to be left with is this, so we can open it up.
And it will have a creepy, cute creature.
We're going to put a creepy, cute creature on it, aren't we?
Yeah, creepy, cute creature sounds weird.
It does sound a bit weird. Okay, so we're going to try and show you that folding.
Yes.
So you know what to do. Okay, so what we're going to do
is we've got to fold it, or you can fold it like you fold a card.
Yeah, fold it in half.
And then you fold it again.
That's
to
it.
The top.
Hang on, slow down.
And then
fold it up to the top. Wait a minute.
And then you turn it around. And then you fold it again.
And we're going to then fold it up to the middle.
And then you unfold it. Like this.
So you'll have 4 equally sized pieces.
Mm-hmm.
And then what we do is we fold the top half into the bottom half. And then we can open and close our picture. It doesn't matter if it's not exactly like mine, does it, Maya?
Yeah.
It doesn't matter, does it?
Yeah.
We're all a bit different, aren't we? And you can use your own drawing skills as well. It's going to be good though, isn't it? Good fun. There we go. Shall we see how we get on?
High five.
High five. Yes. Here we go.
We will need to use some black card so the marker doesn't print our table.
So if you don't want to get your marker on your table, you could put a piece of cardboard underneath.
Or you could use your tablecloth.
Yeah, you could use a tablecloth, couldn't you? Fantastic. Okay, let's do some drawing then, shall we?
We're using markers. You can use pencils. You could use pens, and you can also use markers if you want to.
We like those markers, don't we?
Yeah,
they're pretty good markers. So, what we're going to do first then, guys, is I'm going to show you step by step what to do.
Yeah, and I'm going to copy.
And you're going to copy it, and then you're going to copy it at home. Okay, yeah. So what we need to do is, because it's a prank, we need our creature to look as cute
as ever.
As cute as possible, don't we? Okay, so yeah, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it, and then you're going to copy me, are you?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's start with the nose. A super cute little oval shaped nose. Now it's important you do it relatively close to this line here, because when we open it up, that's going to become the mouth of your creature. So then we're going to draw the creature's muzzle. So this is going to be like a cute little hamster or something like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to start at the middle of your nose. It's important you come down to your crease line and draw a straight line across your crease line. We're going to then curve up like that. So you want to come right down to this line here. Right down. That's it. And then do the same the other way. So we're going to come down, we're going to go flat along your crease line and then go up. And that's your creature's little mouth. Mm-hmm. We're then going to put 2 little curves on top like that. That's just to make it super cute. Okay. And we're going to do 3 little dots, one on that side and 3 little dots on that side. He's looking super cute already, isn't he?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so
we should colour in
well, you can colour in your nose if you like.
We should colour in our nose.
You're colouring in your nose. Okay, so anything cute generally
has cute eyes.
Yeah, but what are they, big or small? Do you think?
Cute.
Cute. Right, watch what I do then. Watch what Daddy does. I'm going to do 2 big circles. They come just below your cute little nose. And they're really, really big. One and a, oh wow, they are huge, cute eyes.
No,
Okay, that's it. So now what we do is
the highlight.
doing 2 more circles inside your circles, or you're going curves, one on top and one on the bottom, are you? And then I'm going to do a circle, another circle on the top. So we've got 3 circles, one inside the other. And I'm going to colour in the middle circle black, like that. And there is pupils. You see how it's got cute eyes now? Love it! It's looking good, isn't it?
Just the whole entire eye.
It's looking really good.
I'm really cute of yours too.
Yeah, you think that's cute?
This looks adorable.
Looks good, doesn't it? Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to give him some ears. Now again, anything cute tends to have big, cute ears.
Yes.
We're going to do little triangular shaped ears. So look at what I do.
How about we do floppy ears? That's even cuter.
It's cute. Well, let's do pointy ears on this one. So we're going to do like a big ah, like that. Quite rounded sides to it. Oh, you're getting ahead of me doing the other side. So we're going to go round.
It looks like a
and
puppy.
Round. Yeah?
It's a puppy.
And then inside we're going to do another. We're going to follow that shape but smaller on the inside. You got it? And then we're going to do 3 bumps if you can at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, like that on each side.
Mine's pretty fat, my pen.
Yeah?
But it's okay.
It's looking good. Okay, and then we're going to give him a hairdo. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3 bumps on top of his head. Or her head. You could do more bumps if you want.
4, 5.
We don't need to worry if it's not exactly the same. We're just trying to create a cute little creature,
Yeah.
aren't we? We're going to give him some cute little eyebrows as well, sort of dropping down the side. I'm so cute. Saying I'm so cute. And then we're going to give him 2 cute little scrumple on the top of his nose because he's super cute. Okay, and then we're going to give him some cute little cheeks as well. That'd be a good idea, wouldn't it? So we're going to go 1, 2, and then on the other side 1, 2.
1, 2.
Cute little squishy cheeks.
Yeah. Is that a hamster or is it a dog? I can't tell.
I'm going to go for a hamster.
Okay, hamster.
Okay, so now I'm going to give him a little body. So on this bottom half here, we're going to give him a little body. Yes, we can do that?
Yeah, adorable.
Adorable. So we're going to give him 2 little cute feet, which is basically just like 2 big paws. 2 big U's, yeah. And then we're going to put 2 lines on the bottom of each one to make his little toesies.
Toesies.
We're going to put a curve there. Fantastic. And then we're going to do his other feet, which is just 2 bumps. That one's like a curly cut, isn't it? Okay, and then this one's the opposite. And again, we're going to do 2 little lines, just like that. Now we need to give him a body, don't we?
Yeah, so do lumps again.
So, yeah, that's it. So we'll go 1, 2, because this is just like a big, cute little fluff ball, isn't it? You got that? And then what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 bumps from his leg on that side. Or 3 if you want. And 2 bumps on that side.
Or 3.
Or 3. And then we needed to give him a chin. So we're going to join these bumps like that. So now you can see, you got that? We've got our cute little hamster.
So adorable.
So cute! Will you be my friend?
Of course.
Now this is where the prank starts, isn't it, Maya? Because we're going to open up your drawing. Like that.
Turn around your card, Dada.
Oh yeah, okay. So we've opened up our drawing, and now we've got this gap in the middle that we need to fill in.
Yeah.
And that's where the scary bit comes in, isn't it? So what we're going to do is we're going to start up at the top. Now it's important you've got a crease line here. Remember, anything above that you'll see on your cute picture, and you've got a crease line here. Anything below that you'll see on your cute picture. So you've got to be careful not to draw on that now, Maya, okay? Okay, so we're going to do some teeth. So we're going to do one small pointy scary tooth here. Okay, and we're going to do another small pointy scary tooth here. Brilliant. And then we're going to do a bigger pointy scary tooth there. Oh my gosh, this is huge. And we're going to do a big one there as well. Now remember, because we're folding this up like that, you can't see it when it's closed, can you, Maya? So it still looks super cute. And then when you open it up, you'll start to unveil the scary hamster. So we're going to go down to near his chin now. Again, above your crease, we're going to do a curve. It's like a M for Maya, but flattened out a little bit. Okay, so that's like his bottom lip. Okay, so on one side, you're going to do another small curvy triangle like that. Oh my gosh, he's got such scary teeth. And on the other side, you're going to do a curvy triangle. And that's his other scary tooth. Okay, and then over here, we're going to do the same again, a bigger one. And the same on the other side. So two bigger triangles, and there is other scary. Oh my goodness, it looks terrifying.
Yeah.
Okay then guys, this is probably the trickiest part of the drawing, so take your time with this. Go to your middle crease. I want you to start just above your middle crease, maybe about here, maybe about there. Okay, I'm going to start there, and you're going to do a curve that curves around like that. This is going to be, ooh, and go over that way a bit more. This is going to be his tongue. Okay.
It looks like a curly cat.
Then you want, it does look like a curlicle. You want to go to about there on your curlicle. And we're going to do, this is a really, you watch what I do first. We're going to go round like that, and basically go around, do a big floppy shape around your curlicle. Right, and then back. Excellent. Don't join it up. Oh, never mind.
It's okay.
That's all right, isn't it? So this is going to be our tongue, but we need to put it in his mouth. So it's currently just floating, isn't it? So we need to draw the side of his mouth. So you're going to go from your mouth. Remember, don't go above your crease. I nearly did then. And you're going to do a line from the tooth to the tongue like that. That's it. So that's going to be the side of his mouth. We're going to do another line almost the whole way down the side of his mouth, because this is making like the side of his mouth. Okay, now we're going to do the same on the other side. Now this is a really long, tricky line. We're going to go from this tooth here all the way down to that tooth there.
This tooth.
From the outside, that side to that side. And we're going to draw a line all the way down. So he's got a really, that's enough, that's it. He's got a really big open mouth, hasn't he? And then again, we're going to do another line that goes down like that. That's like the side of his mouth, isn't it? Okay. And then we've just got to fill in a little bit. Oh, you don't need to so much, but I just need to do another line there just to get to my tooth. So now it looks like he's got a really big open mouth, doesn't it? I think it's looking great.
Uh-huh.
Now, if you open your mouth really wide, then, yeah, that's it. At the back of your mouth, you've got a tonsil.
Yeah.
Well, they're not yet. I forget what it's called. The bit that hangs down at the back of your mouth that wiggles around like a punch bag.
The back of your tongue.
So we're going to draw that. So watch it. This again, it looks a bit like a M. And that's going to be at the back of your creature's mouth. That's it. It's like when on Tom and Jerry and they scream and it goes, oh, and swings about. They might not, I bet nobody knows what I'm talking about. And then we're going to do 2 little curvy lines just above like that. That's the top of his mouth.
It's like, that's like, what's coming for, like, probably that's like his noise.
That's it, it's going, oh! Okay, now we need to draw like the side of his head, don't we? Mm-hmm. So what we're going to do is we're going to remember, don't go above your crease. We're going to go from there, this bump to this bump, in a nice long
I want to do
line.
this.
Oh, that's good as well. So he still looks super fluffy. And we're going to do the same on the other side. I'm going to go just down in a straight line, but Maya's doing bumps. So whatever you think, I need a little bump at the bottom.
I just joined it up by accident.
Well, that's okay. So shall we double check? Let's close our drawing.
Close it. Cute.
Yeah? Is yours super cute? And then open it up. What?
Now we want to colour in it.
Well, we could colour it in, couldn't we? That'd be good, wouldn't it?
Yeah, let's all colour it.
Let's do it one more time. Let's practice. So we're going to close it. And then what do we say when it's closed? We're like, do you want to be my friend?
Do you want to be my friend?
And then your friend would say, yes, please. And then you go, great!
Now, let's all colour in. Let's get our colours. You can use pencils, you can use markers, and you can also use crowns. You can use anything you want.
Okay. So have we finished?
Yeah.
High five. Let's give it a try then, shall we? So we're going to close it up. Will you be my friend? Oh yes, of course. Great! Fantastic. Shall we give it a try? Shall we try it out on somebody?
Yeah.
Yeah, fantastic. Cool. Hey Nola.
Yeah.
Come and look at this. Hey Nola. Do you want to be my friend?
No.
But I'm so cute. Do you not want to be my friend?
No. No, you have to say yes.
Hey Nola, do you want to be my friend?
No.
How cool is that? Let's show everybody. Woo-hoo.
Wow.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Do you want to be my friend? So try it at home and see what your friends and family think. See you later.
See you
Bye.
later. Bye. Bye.
Hey Maya, you want to be my friend?
Yeah.
Oh, don't forget to tell us what you would like to see us draw. If there's anything that you can think of that you'd like to see us draw, put us a message below.